At first, I spent days just watching YouTube gurus. But no one talks about what really happens when you are just starting. But here's how everything changed. I got the idea, and I was happy to start my first YouTube channel. I started my YouTube channel with 0 subscribers, 0 views, and no clue what I was doing. I spent hours watching tutorials, figuring out thumbnails, titles, and how the algorithm works. And let me tell you, it's not so easy. What really happens when you start from 0? You see, starting from 0 isn't just a numbers game, it's an emotional one. You put in hours editing, and then no views, no comments, just silence. And that silence can get loud in your mind. Watching 100 strategy videos doesn't help if you don't actually start creating. Before you create your first video, you need to choose your niche and define your audience. Step 1. Choose your niche. Stick to something you're passionate about and people are searching for. Now the big question is, how to find your niche? You need to identify your interests. Find the problems that you can solve, and most important, forget about making money at the beginning. Step 2. Know who you're making videos for. Speak directly to your audience. Understanding your target audience is crucial to standing out. By knowing who they are, you can tailor your videos and even your posting schedule to better meet their needs. As I said, it isn't as easy as I thought it would be. I used to watch all those YouTube gurus, you know the ones. How I got 1,000 subscribers in a week. Just post consistently. Use these secret tags. And I believed them. I thought, hey, that looks easy enough. I can do that too. I planned my first video thinking it was going to be a piece of cake. Just hit record, talk a bit, upload, and boom. Views, subs, maybe even go viral. But once I actually started, oh boy. The lighting was bad, I couldn't speak confidently, editing took forever. And don't even get me started on that 0 views feeling. After uploading my first video, I kept checking every hour, every few minutes, just waiting for that one little sub. Hours passed, then days, and still, nothing. No likes, no comments, no subscribers. And slowly, very slowly, things started to change. I got that first subscriber, then another, then a comment, and that's when I knew I was on the right path. But here's what I learned. YouTube success isn't about shortcuts. It's about learning, improving, and being painfully consistent. You see, YouTube is basically a search engine. If your video doesn't show up when people search, it's like it doesn't even exist. I started using simple tricks, like typing keywords into the YouTube search bar to see what people were actually looking for. I learned about tags, descriptions, and how to naturally include keywords without sounding like a robot. That's when things really started to click, literally. So, if you're just starting out, here's what I wish someone told me from day one. Don't chase perfection. Your first videos won't be great, and that's okay. Just start. Focus on your title and thumbnail. If no one clicks, no one watches. Learn basic SEO. Use the YouTube search bar to find what your audience is actually looking for. Watch your analytics. They're not just numbers, they're clues. Be consistent, even when no one's watching. That's where growth begins. And most importantly, bring value. Entertain, educate, or inspire. Give people a reason to care. If you're a small YouTuber right now, feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or invisible, I get it. I've been there. But trust me, every big channel started with 0. The difference is they didn't stop. Your YouTube journey is just beginning. Keep learning, keep improving, and most of all, keep going. If you're just starting your channel too, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your journey. And if you want more simple, real advice to grow on YouTube, hit that subscribe button. We are in this together.